Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to keep laptop screen always on. So in this tutorial, you're gonna see the fix for that. So you have to just right click on your battery icon in here, taskbar. And here you find the power options, head over there. Now, if you are using a balanced or high performance battery settings or power plan, just tap on change the plan settings. And once you are there, as you can see, in my one, put the computer to sleep, it is set to never. And when turn off the display, and you can set to never for never turning off the PC when not using. For plugged in, you can also set it on never. And once you have made the changes, just click on save changes. Otherwise, the changes you have made won't be applied. So yeah, this is the easiest way you can keep your laptop or PC power always on. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.